What I love most about Jamaican men is that they're very fun-loving. They're always down to do anything adventurous. If you meet the right one, they're very kind.
They're very hardworking and self-motivated.
They're always willing to provide.
They know for us. As a Jamaican man, they know for us.
They're super hilarious.
Very romantic, very much a gentleman.
Right, so what I think are some of the best traits of Jamaican men is that, for one, most men are, dedicated. Once them dedicate themselves to something, them are going to do it more often than not.
They love their woman, Yeah, and they love look after their woman,
We can cook. We can cook. We're good in the kitchen.
Hardworking, Jamaica is some of the hardest working man.
And they're loving, care, kind, and everything together. Full of love.
And then if you have a back, they made it. Like anytime anything happen, you can call a virgin and I want that and I do nothing. So, yeah.
Look after the woman, cook for her and them thing there. Yeah, carry her up and nice, carry her out and them thing there.
I feel like we care different. We care,
Happy International Men's Day.